Hello guys, welcome back to our series on commonly asked programming questions. So today we are going to discuss our next question, that is program to find factorial of a number. So guys, let's see what actually question is and how we can approach to solve this question. So we are we have to find write a program to find factorial of a given number. Okay, so first try to understand what is factorial, right? How we find the factorial of a number. So basically factorial is the product of all the numbers, right? Suppose if I had said that factorial of 5, so the factorial of 5 means we have to multiply all the digits till 5 from 1, right? Suppose here in the example you can see like we have find the factorial of 5, that is 5 cross 4 cross 3 cross 2 cross 1. And suppose it was asked like find the factorial of 7, then we have the multiplication from 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, so from 1 to till the number, the multiplication of all the digits is known as factorial. Okay, so if I get if number is 10, then what is the factorial of 10? 10 into 9 into 5 is 8 into 7 into 5 6 into 5 means all the numbers, right? From 1 to 10, the multiplication of all that number gives you the factorial, right? So I hope you understand the concept of factorial, right? The multiplication of all the numbers from 1 to that number, right, is known as a factorial of a number. So here you can see the algorithm for factorial of a number, that is read the number. Okay, so initially an input number is given, right, and then we have initialized fact and I, right? Fact is the variable which hold our result and I is for loop purpose. Okay, so we have looped from 1 to n, right? So we have multiplied all the digits, right? Factorial, initially factorial is 1, then we have multiplying from 1 cross 1, then in next iteration the value will be 2 3 4. So multiplication we are doing and we are incrementing the I value, right? So then we are printing. So basically I hope you will understand it in much better sense using program, using code. Okay, so I am going to copy this code and will try to explain you in the online compiler, right? So here is our code. Okay, so here I am going to explain a C code. Okay, so here you can see we have used a header file, right, stdio.h, then it is our program, and we have defined one variable num for which we have to find the factorial, right? So we are going to find the factorial of 7. I have defined it statically. You can also take input from user using scanf, right? And we have one variable in which we are storing our result, that is fact, right, which is of type unsigned long. Since the factorial is basically a multiplication of numbers, so it might give you a big result, right? So maybe a system is not capable of handling integer, is not capable of handling that value. Okay, so we use unsigned long data type. Okay, so after that, if number is less than 0, for less than 0 there is no factorial, right? So we simply output that factorial of a negative number does not exist. Okay, so in other sense, if number is positive, right, what we have to do, we have to iterate each number, we have to multiply it, and we have to recursively multiply these numbers, and we have to output that number, right? So here we have what we have done. I have already told you that we will multiply all the digits, all the numbers from 1 to that number, right? So here we have started from 1 until the number, right, I is less than equal to num. So we will multiply all the numbers from 1 to num and will store that in fact. Okay, so when you try to execute that, what will happen, like initially fact was 1, right? Fact was 1, so 1 cross I, that is initially it's 1, so 1 cross 1 is 1. Now the fact value is 1, right, and I value is 2. It is loop, increment will be done, right? So I value is 2, then 1 cross 2 factorial star I, right, which is equal to 1 cross 2. So now the new value of factorial will be 2, right? And in similar way, next time I value will be 3 and factorial value will be 2. So our in this multiplication, what will be the value of fact is equal to fact star I, so fact will be 2 cross 3, that is 6. So new value of fact will be 6. So in this way all multiplication will be done, right? And at the end of the loop we will get our result, right? So let's try to execute this. For num equal to 7, we are going to find the factorial of 7. So let's see what will be the result. So factorial of 5 is 5040, right? So let's see for 5, right? 4, okay. So let's see for 4 it will be 24, right? 4 cross 3 cross 2, that is 4 cross 3 12, 12 to the 24, right? 24 cross 1 is 24 basically, right? So it is the giving our correct result, right? So this is basically a logic we are using for finding the factorial. That is the only part, logic part, right? So this is our logic for finding factorial of a number. So you can also find the code in different programming languages here: C++, Java, Python, C#, PHP. Okay, so I will share the link to this article in the description section so you can easily access this. Okay, so I hope you understand the code, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks a lot.